Hello students, welcome to grade 7 Maths term 2 class 4. Students, put today's date. This is class 4. This is page number 12. Okay, already in last class we have learnt about the decimal numbers. Okay, in the decimal numbers now we are going to learn the comparison of decimal numbers. We are going to start with the example and exercise number 1.3 today. Okay, put today's date and you can start to write. Okay, children, comparison of decimal numbers means we have to compare the numbers, which is greater, which is smaller, that and all we are going to learn now. Okay, so example 1.13. Valen bought 8.36 kg of potato and Sekhar bought 6.29 kg of potato. Okay, so which is heavier they are asking. Okay, look at this, children. First you write Valen bought 8.36 kg of potato and Sekhar bought how much? 6.29 kg of potato. They are asking which is heavier. Heavier means which is high. Okay, so look at this, children, how to compare the decimal numbers. Now I am going to tell which is greater, which is smaller, how we are going to find. Okay, look at this, children, whole number, point left side, whole number part. First we have to compare the whole number part. So whole number part both are different. One is 8, another one is 6. So one is 8, another one is 6 means we have to compare both the numbers. So we have to compare both the number means 8 is greater than the 6. After that 3, 6 is here 2, 9 is here. Okay, if whole number itself differ means you can stop to compare. Now if suppose whole number are same, next we have to compare the 10th TENTHS place. Okay, and then if both are same means we have to compare the next 100th place. Like that only we have to compare. Okay, so first whole number place, here 8, here 6. So 8 is greater. So 8 is greater means what we want to do? This is greater. So you have to write it 8.36 kg. Okay, is greater than 6.29 kg. So Valen bought heavier. Okay, Valen done 8.36. So you have to write Valen bought, BOUGHT, bought heavier, HEAVIER. Okay, okay, in bracket you can write if you need 8.36 kg is heavier. Okay, so next, children, very much simple. Example 1.14. 2 cups of ice cream, one from machine A and from machine B, and weighed and found to be. Okay, machine A oda weight, machine MACHINE, machine A weight is 99.56 ml, 99.56 ml from machine A. And then machine B, MACHINE, machine B is 99.65 ml, 99.65 ml. Okay, can you say which machine gives more quantity of ice cream? Can you say which machine gives more quantity of ice cream? Okay, now we have to compare. So whole number part is 99, here also 99. Okay, so look at this, children, whole number is equal. So next 10th place is 5, 1, and then here 10th place is 6. So 10th place, which is here 5 is greater or 6 is greater? 6 is greater. So we can get more quantity of ice cream from machine B. Okay, if suppose here also 5 means we have to compare the next digit. Okay, so here 5 is smaller, 6 is greater. So you have to write like this, 99.65 is greater than 99.56 ml. Okay, have you clear, children? Okay, so you can write like this also. Therefore, இது அப்படியே மாத்தி எழுதிக்கலாம். 99.56 is lesser 99.65. Okay, both are same meaning only. இங்கே நம்பர் இங்கே இருக்கு, ஸோ கிரேட்டர் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். இங்கே கிரேட்டர் நம்பர் இங்கே இருக்கு, முன்னாடி இருக்க நம்பர் லெஸரில் இருக்கு, ஸோ அதனால லெஸர் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். ஸோ யூ கேன் ரைட் இன் 2 ways. Okay, Have you clear, children? So next is example number 1.15. Example number 1.15. A standard hard paper is about 0.05 mm thick. Okay va? And matte coated paper is 0.09 mm thick. Okay, standard art paper வந்து 0.05 mm thick, matte coated paper வந்து 0.09 mm thick. So can you say which paper is more thick, they are asking. First is what paper? Art paper. Art paper வந்து 0.05 mm. Next, matte coated paper is 0.09 mm. Okay, which is thick, they are asking. Okay, look at this, children. 0.05 equal. Here 10th place also 0 0. This is also equal. So next, 100th place. Okay, 100th place here 5, here 100th place is 9. Inga 5, inga 9. Which is greater? 9 is greater. So you have to write which is more thick. 0.09 mm is more thick, like that. So this is 0.05 mm is lesser than 0.09 mm. So 0.09 mm matte coated coated paper is more thick. Okay, you can write therefore. Okay va? Have you clear, children? Okay, so next example number 1.16. Okay va? Let us arrange the long jump records of students in a school for 3 years in ascending order. First year la வந்து 4.90 meter, second year la வந்து 4.91 meter, third year la வந்து 4.95 meter. Students ascending order la நம்ம arrange பண்ண போறோம். Look at this, all the three numbers we have the whole number part is 4 equal. So next 10th place comes, all the three numbers 10th place is 9, that also equal. So next we have to see the 100th place. 100th place is 0, 100th place is 1, 100th place is 5. So obviously 0 is less because we have to arrange it in the ascending order. Ascending order means smaller number to bigger number. So which is smaller here? 0 is smaller. So you write it here 4.90. Okay, ascending order is 4.90. Okay va? So next is lesser 4.91. next 1 is smaller comparatively with 5, so 4.91. so next last we have to write the 4.95 meter. Okay va? It is the ascending order. Okay va? Have you clear, children? I hope everybody understood well. Very much simple sums. So next move on to the next page, page number 13. We have to write example number 1.17. Okay va? Meghala and Mala bought 2 watermelons. Meghala and Mala bought 2 watermelons. Weighing means that weight. Okay va? So Meghala oda watermelon is 13.523 and Mala watermelon is 13.52. Okay va? So here kg, here also kg. So which is heavier one, they are asking. Which is heavier one? Heavier means which is more weight. 13, both the whole number are same. Next 10th place 5, here also 10th place 5, same. Here 100th place is 2, here also 100th place is 2, that also same. In 1000th places here 3, next 1000th places here no number is there. If no number is there means we have to put the 0. So here consider it is the 0, here 3. Okay, which is greater, 3 or 0? 3 is greater. So obviously Meghala watermelon is heavier. Okay va? So you can write it here 13.523 kg is greater than 13.52 kg. Okay va? Is greater. So Meghala watermelon is heavier. So you have to write therefore Meghala 13.523 kg. Watermelon is heavier. Okay, wow, very much simple sums, children. Okay, in your book they had given many sentences to make you to understand. Okay, wow, you don't want to write like that and all, you just go through this notes is enough. Okay, so next exercise number 1.3. exercise number 1.3 la compare the following decimal numbers and find out the smaller number. Okay, wow, they had given the 5 sums. In that 5 sums, two numbers decimal numbers are given. We have to compare the two. Okay, wow, shall we started to do this? Very much simple. Here first is 2.08, 2.086. Look at this, children. Whole number part is same, 10th place also same, 100th place also same, but in the 1000th place 6 is here. Here no number. No number means we have to consider as a 0. So which is smaller? 0 is smaller when compared with the 6. So smaller number is 2.08 is the answer. Okay, wow. So next 0.99. Here look at this, children. Whole number is 0. Here whole number is 1. Okay, wow. அப்போ 0 is இங்கே number differ ஆகுது. We can compare here itself. 0 is lesser than 1. So 0.99 is smaller. So next is 3. Here both the whole number are same. 10th place is 5, 10th place is 3. Okay, which is greater, which is smaller? 5 is greater, 3 is smaller. So obviously 3.35 is the smaller number. So next move on to the 5.05, 5.50. Here what place this is? Whole number part is same, 5. Then 10th place is 0. Here 10th place is 5. So 0 is less than 5. So 5.05 is the answer. Okay, wow. So next 123.5. Okay, wow. Here 12.35. Which is smaller? 123 smaller or 12 smaller? Whole number la 12 da smaller. So 12.35 is the smaller number. Okay, wow. So next move on to the ascending order. Arrange the following in ascending order. பண்ணலாமா? So 5 numbers they are given. We have to arrange it from the ascending order. Ascending order means smaller number to bigger number. So 2, first compare the whole numbers. 2, 2, 5, 3, 3. ஓகேவா? அப்போது 2 தான் ஸ்மாலர். இங்கே 2 2 இருக்குது. ஃபஸ்ட்டு இதை கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிடலாம். அப்புறம் இது 2 2ல் இது ரெண்டும் கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது 10th பிளேஸில் 3, 10th பிளேஸில் 5. அப்போ ஆப்வியஸ்லி 2.35 தான் ஸ்மாலர் நம்பர். ஸோ ரைட் இட் இயர் 2.35. ஓகேவா? ஆன்சர் இஸ் 2.35. next is 2.53. okay, next is 3. whole number is 3. இங்கே 10th பிளேஸில் 5, இங்கே 10th பிளேஸில் 2. அப்போது 2 is smaller. அப்போது 3.25. next 3.52. next 5.32. at last bigger number. okay va? very much simple. like that the same we are going to do this also. இங்கே பாரு 123 123 125 125 125. so 125 அப்புறமா பார்த்துக்கலாம். first we have to complete the 123 because it is smaller. 123ல 10th பிளேஸில் 4 இருக்குது, 10th பிளேஸில் 5 இருக்குது. so 4 is lesser. so first you write this number 123.45. next 123.54. okay va? now coming to this 125.4, 125.3, 125.3, 3 3 இருக்கு. so we have to compare this first. இங்கே 4 இருக்கு, இங்கே no digit. so we will consider it is a 0. so which is greater? 4 is greater, 0 is lesser. so write that 125.3. next 125.34. next 125.43. at last we have to write. okay va? have you clear, children? okay, so next compare page number 14, compare the following decimal number and find the greater number. First la வந்து smaller number circle பண்ணோம், இப்போ greater number circle பண்ண போறோம். Okay, shall we ready? Okay, 24 here 20 whole number, so 24 whole number is greater, so we have to write circle that 24.5 greater number circle பண்றோம். Okay வா, second one la 6 whole number. Okay, second 10th place la 9 இருக்கு, 10th place la 5 இருக்கு, which is greater? 9 is greater, so we have to circle this number. Okay, next 17 whole number. Okay, 10th place la 3, 10th place la 8, so 8 is greater, no? So we have to take the 8. Okay, next 235.42, 235.48, which is greater here? 4 10th place equal இருக்கு, அப்புறம் 100th place ல 2 இருக்கு, 100th place ல 8 இருக்கு, so 8 is greater, so I have to circle this. Okay va, fifth sum. See children, look at this very much carefully. 0 whole number. Okay, 10th is 0 okay, 100th place 0 is there, 100th place 7 is there, which is greater? 7 is greater. Okay va, appo இதுதான் greater number. Okay va, students listen here carefully. இங்க 3 digits இருக்கு, இங்க 2 digits இருக்கு பாயிண்ட்க்கு அப்புறமா, so 3 தான் பெருசா அப்படினு சொல்லிட்டு இத வந்து சர்க்கிள் பண்ண கூடாது. கம்பேர் பண்ண place values கம்பேர் பண்ணிட்டு அதுக்கு அப்புறமா தான் we have to circulate. Okay, have you clear? So next is sixth one. 4 whole number. Okay, 5 is in the 10th place. Okay, 7 is in the 100th place. Okay, both. And then 1000th place here 1 is there, 1000th place here 8 is there, so 8 is greater, so we have to circle this. Okay va, simple. Okay, so next we are going to solve the arrange the following decimal numbers in descending order. Second sum la ascending order la எழுதணும்ல, அதே மாதிரி இப்போ descending order la எழுத போறோம். Descending order means bigger to smaller. Okay va, bigger to smaller. Okay, here 17.35, 71.53, 51.73, 73.51, 37.51. இங்க மொத்தமே 7351. இந்த 4 numbers use பண்ணி multiple decimal numbers they are written here. So we have to consider which is greater. So first we have to compare the whole number. Whole number la 17, 71, 51, 73, 37. So obviously 73 is greater, no? So we have to write it first. 73.51. Okay va, so next 73 ku apra 71 is their whole number, 71.53. Okay, next whole number compare panna 51 is there, so 51.73. inga whole numbers ellame different ah irukadnala our work is very simple. Okay va, inga 37, so 37.51. next at last 17.35. Okay va, have you clear? Greater number to smaller number. So next this sum 456, 546, 563, 745, here 457. All the whole numbers are different, so we don't want to worry about it. Here which is greater? 745.63 is greater, so write it 745.63. So next 745 ku apparama here 500s are there, no? We have to compare that. 500 la 563 is greater, so 563.47. next 546.37. okay va, so next here we have two 400s, so 57, 56 is there, so we have to write 457.71 and then 456.73. okay va, have you clear children? Greater number to smaller number. Okay, move on to the objective type questions. Objective type questions la 0.09 is equal to, they are given the question, இதுக்கு ஈக்குவலா பாரு 09, 10th place la 9 இருக்கு, 10th place la 0 இருக்கு, so not equal. 0 okay, 100th place la 0, 100th place la 9, that is also not equal. This one see 10th place la 0, 10th place la 9, this is also not equal. So 0.009, 0.009. class oda beginning I had said right side la 0 கொடுத்திருந்தா கூட it won't consider as the value. So which is equal? 0.00900 is equal. It is the right answer. Okay va? 0.00900. Okay va? Next we are going to compare this 37.70 37.7 irukku. Okay va? Whole number are same, 10th place are same. Okay, here under the place 0 they given, here under the place no number given. No number given also we have to take it as a 0. Now you tell me 37.70 37.70 both are equal, so we have to give the equal symbol. Okay va? At last 78.56 78.57. Okay va? Both the whole number are same, 10th place also 5 same, 100th place 6 இருக்கு, 100th place 7 இருக்கு. ஓகேவா? அப்போ 6 வந்து 7 ஓட என்னது? smaller, lesser. So we have to give the lesser symbol. ஓகேவா? So 78.56 is lesser than 78.57. ஓகேவா? Have you clear children? Up to this whole exercise is over now. You just write. Today homework is only 3 pages you are going to write. Okay va? Complete this exercise number 1.3 in your maths subject note. Okay, I will meet you in the next class. Take care and bye bye.